Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling some serious network gear, specifically the EnGenius EWS7952FP-FIT managed switch. We're going beyond the spec sheet, trying to figure out what 740 watts of power and 104 gigabits per second switching really means for demanding networks.
Well, these aren't just numbers. They define a piece of hardware built for density, for real throughput.
Okay.
If you're planning a big deployment, especially with powered devices, you really need to understand what this offers.
So let's start with the basics, the physical layout. It's a big one, 48 ports.
Yep, 48 gigabit Ethernet.
And crucially, all 48 are PoE plus compliant. Is that right?
That's correct. Power over Ethernet plus. Each port can deliver up to 30 watts.
Okay. And you also get those 4 SFP ports, gigabit ones.
Right, for your fiber uplinks.
Yeah.
Standard stuff for a switch at this level.
But that 740 watt power budget, I mean, that number just jumps out. Is that overkill, or does it unlock things standard switches just can't handle?
Oh, it absolutely unlocks capability. Think of it this way. Standard switches are like, regular wall outlets.
Okay.
This 740W budget, it's like having a dedicated industrial power line just for your IT gear.
Ah, right. So it removes that anxiety about power draw.
Completely. You can confidently run, say, 48 devices that need significant power. Think advanced Wi-Fi access points, power-hungry PTZ cameras.
Like those new Wi-Fi 7 APs.
Exactly. Or complex VoIP phones, even specialized lighting. You run them all at once without hitting that ceiling.
Okay, so it's density, reliability, concurrency.
Precisely. It's not just about theoretical max power, but delivering it reliably across many ports simultaneously.
Got it. So once everything's powered up, performance comes next. 104 gigabits per second switching capacity. That sounds like a guarantee against internal bottlenecks, even if things get busy.
That's the core idea, yes.
Yeah.
It ensures the switch itself isn't the weak link when you've got heavy traffic moving between ports or up to the network core.
But what's interesting is how that speed connects with the management features, right? This isn't just a dumb switch.
Not at all. This is where the managed part comes in. It has sophisticated Layer 2 tools built specifically to optimize and secure that high-volume traffic.
And those Layer 2 specifics, they're what make it essential for certain jobs, I guess.
Definitely. You're talking features like IGMP snooping.
Right. That helps with multicast traffic, like video streams.
Exactly. It stops that traffic flooding everywhere, keeps it only where it needs to go. Very important for efficiency. And things like link aggregation.
Combining ports for more bandwidth?
Yes. Bundling physical ports into one logical link gives you more uplink capacity or redundancy.
And I saw something about jumbo frames. 9,000 bytes.
Yeah, that's significant for bulk data transfers. Think backups, large file movement.
How does that help exactly?
Well, it's like using bigger shipping containers. Fewer headers or overhead for the same amount of data makes large transfers much more efficient, less CPU load on the devices.
Makes sense. Okay, let's talk security. What safeguards are built in, it being a managed switch?
Security and reliability are really linked here. You get crucial tools like DHCP snooping.
Stopping rogue servers?
Prevents someone plugging in a device that tries to hand out bad IP addresses. And DOS attack prevention is key for keeping the network up.
And how do you manage all this? Cloud? On-prem?
You get both options, which is great flexibility. You can use EnGenius's cloud platform or integrate it with your existing on-premises network management system. Depends on your setup.
All right, so it's technically very capable, built for high power. Where does something like this fit in the market, price-wise?
Our sources put this specific high-power model, the 740W one, sort of in the premium mid-range, usually high $700.
All right.
You typically find it through specialist distributors, AV suppliers, that kind of place, often listed with free shipping, which is nice.
And it's TAA compliant.
Yes, importantly it is. That makes it suitable for government contracts in the U.S. And sometimes you see discounts for paying via check or wire transfer.
Interesting. But this 740W version, it's the top of this particular line, isn't it? What if someone needs 48 ports but maybe not that much power?
That's a good point. EnGenius offers choices. There's a 48-port version with a 410-watt budget. Costs significantly less, maybe mid-$600.
Okay.
Or you could step down to a 24-port model if you need fewer ports but still want high power per port. It scales based on your specific power density needs.
So wrapping this up, the EWS7952FP-FIT, its identity seems tied to that massive 740W power budget.
Absolutely. High power density, high port count.
Paired with that 104 Gbp speed and the advanced Layer 2 tools for management security, things like storm control, radius authentication we didn't even dive deep into.
Exactly. It's designed for complex, demanding setups where reliability and control are paramount.
Which leads to a final thought for you listening.
Yeah. Considering the extra cost, the setup time involved with managed features like IGMP snooping or DOS prevention.
You have to ask, for your specific network needs, when does the complexity and robust security of a fully managed switch like this become absolutely essential?
When is it non-negotiable compared to a simpler, maybe unmanaged alternative? Think about your core security needs, your traffic flow control needs, when you're planning that next upgrade.